Hi guys, I'm in Snowdonia today. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we're about to get going. Today we're attempting Carnedd Dafydd and Carnedd Llewellyn. I'll show you on the map. Starting down here at Ogwen, and that's over there through the trees, the lake. And we're going from the youth hostel at the bottom of the lake up this extremely steep mountain, Ole Wen, up to the top of there, 978 metres ASL. That's higher than Scafell Pike, I think, in England, highest mountain in England. Moving across this sort of sheer cliff face up to Carnedd Dafydd, and then across the black ladders, excuse my pronunciation, the Snowdonia North Wales. And that's going to be a high altitude ridge walk at 1,000 metres elevation up to Carnedd Llewellyn up here. So we're crossing the black ladders and going across this ridge. The mountains are second highest in Snowdonia after Snowdon, and it's expected to be amazing views. The only problem at the moment, if you look up here, there's quite a lot of cloud, low cloud. Visibility at the moment is poor. That's Tryfan up there, and that's the Glidders. You can't even see those. Coming across here, I think that's Ogwen, and you can't see the top of that either. So I'm in the car park, as you can see. Probably the safest place I'll be today. Just having a look up here, this is where we start the walk up Ole Wen. Look at that. And that is serious. It's a scramble route, I think, up there. It's going to be hands and knees job for a lot of it. There's a couple of guys making their way up now, I can see. I'll try and zoom in for you. There they are. There they are there, tiny, tiny little hikers. They must be pretty exhausted. I mean, the path isn't well marked out. Just zoom out for you a sec. There's the summit. You can see how rocky it is. That is going to be the ball buster today. We've got to get up there. And when we're up there, then we take on the high altitude ridge walk, where the walking gets easier, but it's going to be very exposed. I've got quite a lot of layering on. I've gone for a base layer today, a couple of light jumpers, and then I've got a thick fleece and windproof kit as well. So we'll see how you get on. We'll catch you when we're a bit further on up this beast here. Hi guys, this is where we come from. Very steep, almost vertical, scrambling, hands and knees. That's Lake Idwal and the Devil's Kitchen path. I'm just going to zoom in on there. Mountains there, we've got Ogwen coming across the Glidders. Clouds lifted a bit now, you see a bit better. Castle of the Winds up there. Tryfan summit we can see, brilliant mountain that. Yeah. Just some of the mates I'm with today. Yeah. Mariam, Chris, he's from Germany, and Jamie, who I study with. And that's where we're going up there, along this steep path. Catch you on the next bit. At the lake, just above the lake now, you can see that down there. Tryfan. Good view of Lake Idwal now. Pretty windy. Oh. We've still got a long way to go, and that's not the top, that's just part of it. So see you in a sec. Yeah. Hey guys, a bit tired.
I think the highest was actually the one we didn't get to.
Same again.
The highest part?
Come right down here.
So where it's quite spiky, we did that bit.
Yep.
Then we went round.
Yep. And you can see we're having to climb up this sort of stuff. Catch you a sec. Here we are. Sort for a little rest. Very, very steep. Been on using our hands for most of the way. I think Jamie's just spotted my car because I moved it onto the road. There he is, down there. So you can see we've come a long way. And a bit tired, but we're going to carry on. Hey guys, we just stopped to rest. Lovely view there. Great view of Tryfan, the lake. Friends just having a break for a sec. Yeah, so just playing around. sheltered from the wind here, which is quite nice, but we've been met now by this sort of sheer rock face. We've got to get up there and hopefully there's something on the other side that looks like a summit. We're at the Ole Wen summit now. Clouds come in, can't see a bloody thing. See anything, very windy. There's the Frenzer, checking the map, can't see much. It's been a very tough climb. We need to get on over to the next peak, get off this ridge. We're at Carnedd Dafydd summit, and we're being defeated by the weather here. It's freezing winds, severe cold, cloud. They got the forecast totally wrong. We're thinking about calling it a day, but you know, it's important to keep safety. You can see how many layers we've got on. It's important to keep safety in mind. It's not the best conditions, especially as the light starts to go and the fatigue comes in. But yeah, we'll catch you on a bit. Group decision in the name of safety to come down. Weather's terrible, coming under the cloud, and we're heading down here back into the valley. We made it to Carnedd Dafydd, but not Ole Wen, and the others really disappointed, but we did our best. Catch you next bit. Great sea view. We've come under the cloud now, and this cloud, there's no sign of it clearing, and it's just hanging up on the mountain we were at, and that's what's beating us. That's what's beating us today. We're coming off the western side of Carnedd Dafydd, and that's all the cloud that we've come out of. It's much warmer down here, sun's come out, but unfortunately we're going off path in order to get back. Going down, crossing that river and taking a path that will lead us back onto the road, so it's longer but avoids the scrambled descent. But this is what it's about. Sunny intervals now, which is a bit better. Really sensible decision to come down. Weather was too bad. You know you're in trouble when you've got all your layers on, and we've come very sensibly packed. We come with, I've got 5 layers on, including thermal base layers, windproof kit, the others are the same, and you know, we didn't just come up in a pair of flip-flops, but when you got all your layers on and you're still cold, that's when you need to really think about safety. But this is what it's about anyway, enjoying the views. At the moment it's nice. Hey guys, me again. Just come off that's the ridge that goes up to Dafydd up there. The summit you can't see, it's caked in cloud. Lovely sea view. I'm going to zoom in a bit here. Look at this. That's Anglesey over there in the distance. Yeah, lovely. This is one of the best views of the day. That's our descent, pretty steep. Oh, amazing. It's coming the other side of Ole Wen onto these rocks. Just now, feeling tired?
Getting tired.
Yeah, he's a professional. And it's just pan round. That's what we've just scrambled down off this ridge. Bloody steep. But we've got to get down onto the road down there. Hey guys, we're here. The safety of the road at last. We've just scrambled down which pretty horrendous sort of mountain face. Just going to show you up there. We've come down off all this scree and rocks. We've had 2 of us dislodge boulders. Just a tip, always walk closely together, because if you dislodge something it can't hurt you, but if you're sort of 20 metres down that's going to break your leg. And skies is typical now. We're down. The weather's good, but here's a team here resting after a bit tired, I think. How was that, Jay?
Yeah,
pretty treacherous. Yeah. Is that understatement of the year or? So I think my next walking trip might be in the rolling hills of the Mendips, but where we can afford to piss around and have a laugh. But we survived anyway so far. Unless get hit by a lorry on the road on the way back, but hopefully not. And yeah, we made it to Dafydd, but we had to cut the rest of it short. But better to survive and walk another day. Cheers, guys. See you again. Well, at the safety of the hotel room. This is a little village I'm staying in, North Wales. I'm watching the sun go down over the Menai Strait, which is between the Welsh mainland and Anglesey. Absolutely beautiful. These little boats. Stunning sunset. World away from where we were earlier. I'm going to get a good night's sleep and back for more mountains tomorrow.